Welcome. In front of me is a REALME Pad, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you want to pull down your notification panel and look for the toggle, which for me is right over here. Once you find it, hold it if you don't want to use the default settings, and in here you can customize quickly how it will function. So things like who can call you, message you, what kind of apps will be able to interrupt you, alarms and other interruptions, schedule, also advanced options, which we have duration and display notifications, so just notification options. Once you went through all the settings right here, you can leave this portion of the settings and never come back to them again. And whenever you want to actually turn on the hotspot, all you need to do is tap on it, and this will enable whatever the options you have set up when you first customized it. And once you're done with it, turn it off by tapping on it again, like so. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.